Hey guys, in some parts of the country, it's already snowing, and in other parts, the snow is on the way. So before that snow hits, you want to make sure that your Ariens Sno-Thro is in top condition for the season. First, you want to make sure you have fresh, stabilized fuel in the fuel tank. You never know if you're going to be using your Sno-Thro every 2 days or every 2 weeks, so having stabilized fuel in the tank is very important. After last season's full use, you also want to do an engine oil change. There's no filter on these engines, so you don't have to worry about that, but make sure you drain the old oil and fill with new according to the instructions in your engine manual. Additionally, on all Ariens Sno-Thros, there are various lubrication points. Most commonly in the front on the auger shafts, you have 2 or 4 grease zerks, depending on your model. Pump a little grease into there. Additionally, inside the tractor or the frame of the unit, there are some gears that you want to lubricate, as well as chains. This is also a good opportunity to check the condition of your drive belts. Simply remove the 2 pieces of hardware from your belt cover, remove the cover, and then check the condition of your belts. If they're cracked or worn, replace them. And finally, you want to make sure to check your adjustments on your Sno-Thro. Most commonly, your scraper blade and your skid shoes are probably going to need an adjustment after a full season's use. Also, the certain clutch levers and other levers on your dash panel may need some adjustment. Just verify that they operate correctly, and if they don't, follow the instructions in your operator's manual to make those adjustments. As always, for every procedure, whether it's maintenance or adjustments on your Ariens Sno-Thro, you're going to want to reference the instructions in your operator's manual and your engine manual. For service help, you can rely on your local Ariens dealer, and if you're looking for replacement parts, you can go to parts.ariens.com.